This is the belt that is used to transmit power from one pulley to another pulley. For this apparatus we are using round belt. This is the belt drive apparatus. This is the cord that is wrapped on pulley 1, and the cord is also wrapped on pulley 2 to apply the load on these pulleys. These are the axle about which pulleys will rotate. Each pulley has 3 steps of different dia. For this side pulley we are using pulley of dia 58.05, and for this we are using pulley of dia 68.14 mm. Now we will apply the load on right hand side pulley, 5 Newton load, and we will balance this load by applying effort on left hand side pulley. We will add the load slowly to balance this load of 5 Newton. This is the load of 1 Newton. It is not balanced, so we will add more load on left hand side pulley. This is the load of 2 Newton. Sorry, 0.5 Newton. So the load is 5 Newton and the effort is 1.5 Newton. The load of 5 Newton is balanced by 1.5 Newton effort. The weight of both the hanger is same, so we are ignoring the weight of hanger in total load. Now we will increase the load on right hand side pulley. Now it is 10 Newton. To balance the load on effort, we will add more weights. This is the weight of 2 Newton. Another 2 Newton weight, 1 Newton weight. It is not balanced. Add more weight. Still not balanced. Now it is balanced. 2 weights of 2 Newton, 1 weight of 1 Newton and 1 weight of 0.5 Newton. 10 Newton load is balanced by 5.5 Newton effort. Two, 1, 0.5, 5.5. Increase the load on right hand side pulleys. Now the load on the right hand side pulley is 15 Newton. The load is too high, so it is tightening the belt too much. Let's increase the load by 2 Newton. So now the load is 12 Newton. Add 1 Newton load. It is not balanced. 12 Newton load on the right hand side pulley. 6 Newton load on effort pulley. It is not still balanced. Add another weight of 0.5 Newton. Now it is balanced. 12 Newton on the right hand side pulley and 7.5 Newton on left hand side pulley.